Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to do some cosmetic stuff to the Foz. Stay tuned. Alright, a little bit of progress on the airbox. This hasn't turned out too good. Might put some heat onto it and see how it goes, but if it doesn't get any better after doing like another coat, I said if it doesn't turn out very well, do another coat and see what happens. If it doesn't turn out well, I might just like stick a bomb it or something like that. But cosmetic stuff. So I need to cut out the fog light area just a little bit so it can accept the bigger pipe behind it. I might, what do you guys think, cut this out a bit more, because that is not much intercooler for the power that I want to put down. So once that's done, we might get the grill back in. And what I want to do is actually take off these flares that I made. I'm not a fan of them now. So yeah, we'll get them off. I think I might just go back to the original ones and have the colour, because I do still want to do my front guards that are a bit wider, and they are the original flare moulded into it. So it'll get a little bit wider, but it'll be the same as if you just had a flare on there. And obviously she needs a bit of a clean up, so that needs a good wash and maybe even a polish. So might bring some equipment home from work and have a good go at it. Alright guys, just heated it up. As you can see, the paint on the side started to bubble. So there's quite a bit of temperature in that piece now. Let it cool down a little bit and I'll shoot it with another layer and see how we go. There we go. Got it off. So a bit of cleanup isn't needed, but nice and easy with a bit of a lubricant and a plastic blade. Should be fine. Chop, 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 chop. There we go. Got the second one off. Down here. Oh, bit of cleanup to do. Some of you are probably cringing at that. Razor blades on the paint. Oh yeah. Do you think I should put my spacers back on? Got 1-inch spacers, 25mm spacers. Looks like some tape. Alright, put another layer on and got the heat gun onto it, so we'll see how that turns out. Obviously these aren't going back into the car for another few days anyway, so probably head inside, start making dinner and whatnot, come out and get into the bumper. Alright guys, I'm back. It's the next night. So taking the flares off, what I'm going to do is actually polish up the lights. A lot of you have been waiting for this moment, so I'll let you enjoy it. Alrighty, so I've got this, so it's like 1000 grit. It's more of a polish. And I've got this little polisher. So there we go. Alright guys, also by the time you see this, so Thursday morning, Melbourne is back in lockdown, so I'm not sure what's going to be going on just yet, because it is only Tuesday night at the moment, so we might be able to get more stuff done on this. No, still school holidays, and I know that school holidays going for an extra week, so there we go. Right. I'm going to put you guys on my head and let's polish these lights. Alright, there we go. It's looking good. How's it look? So before, looks like it's got a bit of pitting, so maybe I hit it with the angle grind. I probably did. Probably hit it with the angle grinder sparks. It's like right in line with it, so yeah. And after, it's pretty simple. So what we're going to do now is actually chop up this STi front bumper, because you know everyone's got these STi front bumpers now. Oop. Paid $100 for this, but I had to import it from Japan, so it ended up costing me like $400 about 7 or 8 years ago. So I've had it for quite some time. Before it was cool, you know, to have an STi front bumper. Pop. Alright, let's chop it up. I've already chopped it anyway. Alright, before I go any further, I'm actually going to put the indicators back in. So these side markers here. So make it look a bit more complete. It's my fried eggs. I haven't got those chrome ones yet. Come on. There we go. And you go in like so. Need to find a screw to put in there. Let's do the other side. There we go. Go find a couple little screws. There we go. Lights are back in. What do you think, Rick? Looking pretty clean. Right, let's finally get to that bumper. Alright guys, the way I'm going to cut it out, well, I need to measure it, of course. I'm going to measure from the bottom to the top of the cooler, or at least to here, and then I'll measure from the bottom, because this sits under the cooler, and that will definitely be our maximum, so I'll have the number plate there, but we'll see. Okay, so the core of the cooler is about 20 centimeters tall, and so from that little cutout, 20 centimeters is pretty much the full front of that. So it's going to go to about there. A decent chunk out of it, but it's going to increase it by maybe 3 times the amount. So flip it over, which you can't do, and we'll go up to this line here where the bracket is. So from there, go across and down. Cool. Sorry guys. Does yours have Japanese writing on it from the auctions? Mine does. Yeah, as you can see, already chopped out this side for the turbo. So I've already chopped out quite a bit here anyways. I don't know if I want to show you me slaughtering this fine bumper, but you might be able to see the line. There's the cutout, so I'm going to go to this. So it will come in a bit on the opposite side, obviously. And yeah, I've got to make sure I take the number plate off, or I'll be chopping through the number plate. It's done. Chopped. What I did is I went across and didn't quite meet, and then I just kind of ripped it off. So I'm going to get a file in there, a rounded file. Let's round off that. Obviously, I'm going to straighten everything up with the file. I haven't seen how it looks from the other side yet, so what I might do is actually, without looking, put it on the car and see how it looks. Well, that's definitely opened it up. I think I want to enclose that. I reckon this cooler is like perfect size for this, because look how it comes in. It comes in right to the end of the core, right where the end tanks are. What the hell is that? Anyways, I might sort out some way of blocking that off so it can only go through the cooler. Maybe not the top, that'll leave it all open, but it would be good to enclose that. So if I do that, it feels like I need to take off another ½ centimeter there, so I can make it nice and smooth. But also, that being said, that comes up as well, so I don't know. I'll work something out later. And there we have it, guys. It's fitting a lot better. I did have to trim up quite a bit around here, as you can probably see. But bad thing is, like, once the MAF is gone from behind there, I'm going to be changing that pipe out, and it's going to be a 2.5. So just chopped away part of the bumper that I didn't really need to, but kind of do for the time being. Anyway, I've made some fog light covers that have vents in them, so hopefully I did it right. It's been a while. Hopefully the vents at the top, can't remember, but we'll get that sorted, and hopefully we can get some airflow going through there. And I'll probably end up cutting some vents into the side here too, to allow the air to pass through. That worked quite well on this side because of the cooler as well. So it'll pass through there. But yeah. So we got rid of the rear flares, polished up the lights that desperately needed it. I don't think I've actually done it on the Forester. And we trimmed up the front here, which will need a little bit more work, and trimmed up the fog light area to accept that low mount for the piping there. However, when I do go for a test drive, hopefully this coming weekend, that front bumper will not be on there, so I can make sure everything's all right and I've got easy access to it as well. But we'll most likely cab tie that grill on, and I'll put the little panels that go underneath the lights on. But yeah, we also got the indicators in too. You probably saw this just pop up. I just needed the bench space. This one actually turned out quite well, but this is the one that you're not really going to see. This top one, yeah, not the best. So yeah, we'll probably just get some stickers on that, call it a day. I found out where I can get some C-charm too, so I'll get that for the weekend. Alright guys, I'm going to finish this episode here. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. We'll be cleaning up the body a lot more when I can get it out and wash it and properly detail it. But with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.